Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to layer heat transfer and give you some tricks and tips to follow along the way. So for this project I use vinyl from Happy Crafters, and I'll put my affiliate link in the description box below. Remember, when you cut heat transfer, we want to lay it shiny side down and mirror our image before we cut. To start my layering project, I have my design cut in different colors, and I'll start to piece it together starting from the bottom of the design and moving up. I have a light pad that I use to weed, and I also use this for my layering designs. The carrier sheet won't stick to it, and after I weed, I'll lay my design how I want it to look on the shirt. Heat transfer is a lot more forgiving than adhesive vinyl because you can move it around before you press it. Once you get your design how you want it to be laid out on your shirt, I just remove the top pieces and I'll start from the bottom and press the first layer. You can layer colors on top of colors, but you cannot layer regular heat transfer on top of glitter. And when you do layer with glitter heat transfer, you want to make sure that the glitter heat transfer carrier sheet is not laying over regular vinyl, or you will have stray pieces of glitter pressed into your vinyl. It's important to know that when you do press your layers that your carrier sheets cannot overlap, so I'll go ahead and I'll press the glitter piece and then I'll lay the next layer on. Make sure that after you press your first layer to use Teflon sheets or parchment paper to protect your next layers of vinyl. For my flower layers, I wanted to make sure that they lined up, so I did them backwards, and then I'll flip and I'll press the bottom layers first. With my heat press, I'll link it below, but I do like to press on 320 degrees for about 20 seconds. You can press as many layers as you want at one time. You just have to make sure that your carrier sheets are not overlapping. So for this, I wanted to add a personal touch, and I added my name last, and the font is Lolly from Creative Fabrica. So that's it, you guys. We have now layered heat transfer vinyl. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Like the video if it was helpful. And until next time, thanks guys.